Welcome back to another one from Advancing Car and this very well loved 2017 VW Beetle. It's coming today for factory reversing emblem camera, low line, so that's no moving guidelines, and then also the VW part numbered ambient lighting. So we've obviously done a lot of those in transporters if you've watched the videos on those, and we've fitted it in this. So you don't have the standard kind of pocket arrangement in the doors as you do in a lot of cars, like a top pocket, a little pocket. So we went with the lower pocket area and then the handle, which I think you'll agree looks pretty damn smart actually. I mean, it's done a real good job of it. And then obviously fitted an emblem reversing camera. So let's jump into the car and you'll be able to see throughout the video how it's all working, what it all looks like. Right, and so as I said, with these door cards, there isn't a lower pocket and an upper pocket. So we went with just nice and tucked in by the door handle, but being mindful of the fact that we don't want to have it too high, then as you're driving, the light is in your eye, because obviously that can be annoying and also possibly dangerous because they're bright lights. So Owen did a really good job of just tucking the light right down behind the end of the handle here, so it just washes up beautifully and actually looks, like I said, looks really, really smart. And as you can see, with the workshop lights off, it's really nice and vibrant, but again, without being right in your eyes. And then we obviously went with the lower pocket behind this kind of elasticated section that's like a holder, and again just washes across nicely, gives you a nice amount of light, but not so bright that it's going to draw your eye to it as you're driving. So yeah, ambient lighting is a really good feature. Oh, and obviously you've got the blue footwell lights as well, so just completes the whole package for driving at night time. Really gives off a really nice light, and because of how it fits and how it goes in, you can make it fit pretty much any car you want, really. With the two little door card lights being such small LEDs, you can get them in anywhere. So it's, yeah, really nice, right? Really nice little light upgrade, sorry, to your car. Right, so reversing camera. As you can see, this has previously had a Pioneer fitted to it. So that's not a problem. Obviously we can still get the factory emblem camera to work with it. So if I just pop it into reverse, we can hear the emblem pop out and then the camera comes up. And as I said, because it's a low line, you don't get any moving guidelines, but you do get just a nice clear image with showing the bumper and just showing you that kind of red line that if this car had parking sensors would be that kind of flat line spot, but also that red line is probably going to be about a foot away from the bumper. And then obviously because it's low line again, it just works off the reverse trigger. So as soon as I go into drive or park, the camera goes away and just goes back to its normal screen. So that's about it really. This car it's a very well loved car. Our customer's very excited this morning. So I think she's going to be very excited when she sees it all working and how modernised it is. And as I think she said, she was pimping her car up. So I think she's very excited. And if you've got something like this that you would like to upgrade with lighting or reversing cameras or anything really, check out our website, check out all the other videos, see what we can do. Get in touch and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Cheers.